I'm from Jersey and I've been out here in LA for about 8 years. I packed everything up in my car and just drove out here. I didn't have a job, I didn't have an apartment, nothing lined up. Just hopped in the whip. Whatever fit is what went with me. And I've just been out here grinding ever since. Get involved with everything. Make sure you establish a strong network. And when you're dealing with people, deal with them in a respectful way. Deal with them in a way that you would want to be dealt with, because you never know who you might be talking to. So that's my little tidbit. It was easy for me. Like when I first moved out here, the first couple weeks, I was just in the library applying for jobs, because you obviously need a job to be able to get approved for an apartment and everything else. Most difficult moment, there's been a couple of periods of unemployment where I had to like really grind and do things I didn't want to do, like washing cars on top of a rooftop at DreamWorks Studios.